In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to propose another time in Google Calendar using Google Workspace for Business. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to reschedule a meeting with colleagues or clients but want to maintain professionalism and efficiency. It can sometimes be tricky to find a time that works for everyone, so this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. Start by navigating to your Google Calendar. You can do this either on your desktop or mobile device, whichever you find more convenient. Once you are in, locate the event you wish to reschedule. Simply click on the event to open its details. You should see the event details pop up, allowing you to view all the relevant information such as time, date, and participants. Next, you'll need to look at your RSVP options, typically shown at the bottom of this details pane. You should see buttons for your RSVP choice, such as yes, no, or maybe. Beside these options is a small arrow, either pointing downwards or upwards depending on the view you're using. Go ahead and click on this arrow. Once you've clicked this arrow, a new set of options will appear. Among these, you'll find an option labelled Propose a New Time. Selecting this will take you to a screen where you can choose a new time and date for the meeting. Here you can view the calendar layout and all the available times, which makes it easier to find a slot that's open not just for you, but potentially for other participants as well. After selecting your proposed time slot, you have the opportunity to add a personalized message. This is a crucial step as it allows you to communicate directly with the event organizer. Use this message space to explain why you're proposing a new time or to provide additional context that might be helpful. Whether it's a scheduling conflict or a need for additional time to prepare, sharing a reason can make the rescheduling process smoother and more transparent. When you're satisfied with your new time proposal and your message, the final step is to click Send Proposal. By doing this, your suggestion is submitted to the event organizer and they will receive an email notification with your proposed time change. It's then up to them to accept or decline this new proposal. Rest assured, this process maintains the integrity and professionalism of the scheduling while offering flexibility to adapt to changing schedules. And that's it. You've successfully proposed a new time for your meeting using Google Calendar in Google Workspace for Business. This feature not only keeps everyone informed, but also demonstrates your consideration and collaboration within the work environment. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing those meetings.